Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup. Start by simmering chicken with onion, carrot, celery, and herbs to build rich stock. Strain or shred the chicken, then return broth and add diced vegetables to soften. Add noodles last so they stay springy, then season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. Serve hot with fresh parsley and crusty bread for comfort. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup. Begin by simmering a whole chicken or thighs in cold water with onion, carrot, celery, and bay leaves until cooked through. Remove chicken to cool, then strain the stock and skim fat if needed. Return broth to the pot, add sautéed aromatics and diced vegetables, and cook until tender. Stir in noodles near the end and finish with herbs. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while you cook with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits most cup holders, perfect for kitchen hustle. It's leak-proof and comfortable to carry, so you can sip between stirring and shredding. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like if you're finding this video helpful, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make chicken noodle soup. After the noodles are tender, shred the chicken and fold it into the pot so every spoonful has meat. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, and a little lemon juice for brightness. Avoid oversalting early. Turn off the heat and let flavors meld a few minutes. Serve in warm bowls with chopped herbs and an optional drizzle of olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.